Dreamscape presents The Martians, Evidence of Life on the Red Planet by Nick Redfern. Narrated by Groat. Introduction. Mars, our nearest planetary neighbor in the solar system, is an average of approximately 140 million miles from Earth. Because the orbit of Mars is erratic, the distance will fluctuate during the Martian year. Not particularly big in size, it is dwarfed by all of the planets. Pluto is now classified as a dwarf planet, except Mercury. At the other end of the spectrum, however, Mars is home to the gigantic Olympus Mons, which is the biggest volcano in the entire solar system. The huge amount of iron oxide on Mars gives it a noticeable, famous even, reddish color. Hence its memorable nickname, the Red Planet. It has a blood-freezing average temperature of negative 81 degrees Fahrenheit, and its decidedly harsh atmosphere is comprised almost exclusively of carbon dioxide, aside, that is, from a small amount of water vapor. There is no denying the fact that dusty, rocky, desert-like Mars is a very interesting world. For one thing, it has polar ice caps, and those ice caps are comprised of water. Yes, good old water, just like ours. Not only that, the amount of water on Mars is huge, and I do not exaggerate when I use the word huge. NASA's current estimates suggest that if all of the Martian water was melted, there would be enough to cover the entire planet up to a height of about 35 meters, which is undeniably amazing. The planet's days are strikingly similar to ours in terms of length. Mars's days last for 24 hours and 37 minutes. Mars's year, however, runs for 687 days. For millennia, we, the human race, have been intrigued by Mars. Indeed, a good case can be made that we have an absolute affinity to the Red Planet, an affinity that dictated the development of early religions and even the world of conflict. As NASA notes, the Egyptians were the first to notice that the stars seemed fixed and that the sun moves relative to the stars. They also noticed...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?